Hi everyone, this is a Longhorn LED level, my version of the SparkleTilt PCB, and here you can see we have our ATmega 328P, that's the brains of the operation. This is our Arduino Nano footprint, you can solder headers there. This is our ICSB programming header for uploading the bootloader and stuff. We have our charging, power circuitry, and these are the LEDs I decided to use. These are side-mounted SK6812 side RVS. So the light comes out this way, 90 degrees from the PCB. This is a switch. It's a little smaller than what I expected, but it'll do. So let's plug it in. You can either plug in a LiPo battery like this one. It's the connector's wide Adafruit style, or you can power it through USB. Okay, just realized the battery was drained. Anyways, you can see here's the red battery charging light. It turns green if the battery is charged. If no battery is connected, it doesn't light up when it's powered by USB. So USB is for battery charging and just powering it off USB if you don't want a battery. And here are my LEDs. See red and green. Also have, we can have a whole bunch of different modes because at the end of the day, these are NeoPixels and you can do whatever you want with them. But we will use our accelerometer right here to measure the angle of some stuff. So blue is level. Wow, this is not very level. I thought my table would be more level than this. But then as you keep going at an angle, you see the lights changed based on where the object being leveled is supposed to go. Put it on here. See, not very level. And it makes for a fun toy to play with, even if you don't want to level stuff. Having a haptic, some haptic feedback on the switch from red-green to green-red would be insanely cool for a fidget toy. That's it. You can also put it on the wall as a decoration with the level color scheme, or you can whatever else you think is cool. So yeah, that's my version of SparkleTilt Longhorn LED level. Oops.